Hey guys, welcome back, and as always, thank you so much for tuning in. I've got Emzo with me today, and it's going to be a pretty special day because we're going to try and get her first marlin. Literally, she's going to be on the rod and reel today. That's her job, and my job, no pressure, is to find fish. hopefully I can do my part so she can do her part. So we're going to run up the island. You guys know the drill. It's about 40 odd k's to the fishing grounds. We're going to head up there, see how we go, put the lures in, and hopefully, fingers crossed, we've got a good episode coming your way. So we're pretty much here, and we're just cruising through the shallows because these little black marlin can literally show up anywhere. Just a couple of metres of water, and there's a heap of birds just up here. And we're just cruising through in 3.8 metres, and you just don't know. It could be a school of mackerel, tuna, herding up the bait fish, or there could be a couple of blacks within it. So we'll just see if we can get within a cast, and we should be able to see what's in the school end, maybe. If it's mackerel, we won't cast. Alright, so we've just travelled up a bit further than the shallower water back there where all the bird action was. I'm preferring fishing as a drop-off as opposed to fishing the flats, as you would call it, I guess. But so we're just a bit further up, and it's time to put the waters in the lures. Let's put the lures in the water.
Let's put the lures in the water.
All right, happy days. You want to jump on the wheel and we'll just head forward at a couple of knots. Okay. And I'll just start getting all the gear. Gonna be lucky. Gonna be a fish. Gonna pass a fish.
Yeah.
Have the fish come in
and get that particular.
Get it excited. Oh! He's dropped it. Oh. Let's hope he comes back.
Oh!
Yes, Bobby. Yes.
I'm on. Yep.
Come on.
Bring it back.
Yep, just a bit. Yep. What do we got? You know what? He's not jumping. It might be a tuna. Oh, it's a marlin!
I can see him! Yes! Yes!
You little ripper! Oh man!
Get him in!
Yeah, I will. Up there, lure there.
Yeah.
Lure there. Good job. Look how shallow we are. Holy shit. Just turn around.
I'll turn this way. He's still going, he's tight.
Tight. Yep. Good.
Oh, look at him jump there. He's out there. He just jumped so high. I'm trying to keep him taut. He's out that way. So don't let him take the rod.
Okay, good. Alright, you're on. Right. There you go. Oh, Bobby, you go. So one, he's loose. One. That's it. Beautiful, darling. Yes! Fantastic. Look at him now. Yes! Yes!
Oh,
that's it.
Keep him taut. Keep it up.
Beautiful. Yep. I might just turn up a little bit.
Yeah.
There you go. Yep. So you can little pump wind down. Little pump. Yes! So good. Fantastic. Go, Bob. First marlin. I can't believe it. Oh, yes. You're doing good. That's good. Even if you're just doing that, at least you're keeping the line tight. That's good. That's fine. Just show me the drag. Just a bit more. There you go. Now just slow them up.
Yeah.
Yep. So that now you're going to need a little lift and wind down. Lift, wind down. Yeah. Okay, just take him nice and slow now. Big turtle right there. Massive turtle right there. Huge. So this is where, so now you're going to get your rod tip down nice and low near the water. So the action stays the same.
Yeah.
Yep, the action stays the same.
You filming this?
Yeah, bloody oath. Keep your rod tip nice and low. Yep, so even lower. So when he jumps, that's it, nice and slow. When he jumps, just get that rod tip low near the water. Yep, there we go, beautiful. Okay, just hold him there for a sec.
Yeah.
Hold him there for a sec. Come a little bit closer if you can. That's all right, that's all right. Keep him taut. I know. You! Yes! He's good. Okay, you can bring it right over. Awesome. All right, quick shark scan. Yeah, we're all good. We're all good. Okay, so that's okay. Let him run if he wants to run.
Yep.
Now slip in.
Yep.
Slip in. Yes. Okay, just start walking to shore and walk that way. Walk that way because he's going that way. All right. Yes. Go Emzo. You've got this, babe. You've got it. You just keep going. I'll meet you there.
Yeah.
Oh yes. You little ripper. Oh. No, you're good. You're good. You're good, bub. Happy days. So good. Oh! Look at her go. And I'm talking about you. Look at you go. How good. How good. Such special moments, folks. It's unbelievable. Going in, guys. Woo! Where is he? All right, I'm gonna grab his bill in a second. He's all right. Wow.
Okay.
Give us swim it in.
Yep.
Hold his bill.
Yep.
Look at you go, bub. So good. Amazing. Amazing. Right, let's have a look underwater at him. Wow, hey?
Wow!
What an experience. Give us 5. That was so cool. When was the last time you did that?
I've never done that before.
Wow.
I've never done that before.
That was, yeah, again, absolute phenomenal experience. We're just pumped. I think but it just makes your mind blown now.
Yeah,
Like you go from like the highest of highs, and we did have to walk him around for a few minutes before, but he went off okay.
And he's off all right, so we're happy. Yeah,
that's it.
Yeah.
But now it's like, you just feel like, I don't know, mellow. You're like, all right, it's good.
Yeah.
It's good. All the emotions of fishing right in the last half an hour. You come out like all fidgety and like, anxious and nervous. Are we going to get a fish? Are we going to get one? Are we not? And then the high, and now just mellow out.
Mellow out. You can have a drink.
Yeah, maybe.
Just
I think you're right, babe.
Yeah.
I think you're right. Yeah, hope you're enjoying this episode. We'll see you in a second. You never forget it, that's the thing.
No way, I just like swam with it.
Yeah.
Like,
watched it go into the deep and everything.
Yeah, like unbelievable, unbelievable. And it's so pretty up close, like they're...
They are.
Yeah. Cutting in, like...
Beautiful fish.
Yeah.
And no matter how many times, like, you'll remember every single one. So like, That's your first one.
And then they're
So
different.
say in your life you catch about 20 more, you'll remember every single one individually. It has that effect on you,
Yeah.
you know. And that's what I love about fishing. You know, it's just like that. You get moments like this where you just talk about what's just happened, what went down, and yeah, it's really special.
Yeah, fully.
All right, well, we're going to make our way back all the way up there, which you can't even see. But in doing so, we're going to do it in the shallows. We're going to travel up in about 3 meters of water, and we might see turtles.
Might show you some scenery.
Yeah.
In the pretty blue water. It's really nice.
Yeah.
Really nice.
We might see turtle, stingrays. You might jump in.
Yeah,
If
I
we
might
see
jump
something.
in if I can see,
So yeah, cool.
underwater footage, that'd be good, yeah.
That would be cool. All right, no worries at all. We'll see you in a sec, guys. This video a big thumbs up. We really appreciate it. We'll see you on the next one.